Hi everybody! Today we're gonna open up Universal Yums.
Yum, 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 yum!
This is our first box. This is the June box. We have no idea what kind of snacks are in here, and we got the Yum box. This is the smaller one of the two, so that we could try it out.
Mommy, so we're getting these every month?
If we like it, let's check it out. Let's open it. So everybody take out one thing. Oh, this month's box is from America, the USA.
Oh, and it even has American wrapping paper. Okay.
So let's see what's all in here. Let's take it all out.
Here's some of these little gumdrops, maybe? Maybe these are gumdrops?
Everybody take out one thing and show me what you got.
Mommy needs to get... Oh! I got this. This is... Let's take out all of this stuff. Okay, so this is all of this stuff. Oh, these look actually really good.
What's that? Apples. Let's see.
Mommy, me something salt. Oh, I got this open already.
Oh,
Okay,
so Emma's gonna try that.
Okay, these are barbecue somethings. I think these are kind of sicky.
Let's see.
These are sicky. I'm gonna try one of these. These are sicky. Let me open that. Okay, these are.
Here, get the scissors, Noah.
These are actually barbecue
Oh,
chips.
Emma didn't like that one.
Okay, these are barbecue chips.
Okay, give it a taste.
Really good. I'm gonna see what this is. Oh,
Some kind of candy?
It's a little spicy though.
Ooh, Noah, watch your fingers.
Ooh, I'm
Do you
gonna. I
Do you need Caleb to help you?
No.
So those were barbecue.
Hot sticks. Those were spicy. Those were really spicy.
Do you need Caleb to help you? So let's see everything.
These felt good. What's this? I don't know. I'm gonna taste. My look. It's sticky. Good pattern. Okay, it looks like it's chewy. Yum!
That was Yum.
This doesn't smell good at all. This doesn't smell good at all. It's yummy.
It smells like lemon.
This does not smell good. Smell it, Mommy.
Well, taste it and tell me what it tastes like.
Taste some. Do you guys barbecue chips or something? These barbecue chips. You see them. They're so good. I'm glad that I picked this out. Mommy, this is pretty good. I normally see these chips on hot sauce. Taste this stuff. This is actually pretty nutty. Mommy,
Pretty nutty?
Taste this stuff. It's good. Mommy, see them put hot sauce in there.
What kind of chips are these?
I don't know. I didn't find that yet.
Chesapeake crab, salty and spicy, Route 11 potato chips. So everybody try those and tell me how they are.
Okay, I'll try one.
What do you think, Noah?
These feel like potato chips. Are these potato chips?
Mm-hmm.
Delicious. I just realized there's a crab on here. Are these made from crab meat?
No.
Then that's sipped. You know what? They have a crab picture on it.
Emma, try a potato chip?
I didn't like stab eggs. Sure.
Try everything in our box.
No. Are we going to eat that last? We don't take that.
Well, everybody gets to taste it. Can you open it up?
Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. That's too spicy. It's really good. I can't drink. That was too spicy.
It was not spicy.
Yes, it was. We want to eat.
Wait, which chip was that? Was it this chip or that chip?
That chip. The
This
blue
one?
chip.
The
The blue
spicy-
the blue one.
How did the crab chips weren't bad at all? Let's try this little.
Spicy.
Emma, if you think those are spicy, try these barbecue chips.
No. Them pop. Them.
I need
And I do not like that either. I already tasted that. That's just not good.
Okay, let's try this. First, I'm gonna see if this is gonna smell good.
Seems like kind of minty.
Those are peppermints, I
Oh.
think.
Peppermints.
Yep, they're red and white. They look like peppermints, but are they peppermints? Okay, this isn't gummy. It's like hard as rock. I think this is like that. You suck on it.
Okay, give it a taste.
First, I need to see if it smells.
Let me say
It actually smells pretty good. I'm gonna suck on this.
It's say this. Peppermint.
This isn't good at all.
Say
I told you it wasn't good.
Say
Is that the same thing that Emma had?
Mm-hmm.
But that's bigger.
What kind of flavor was it?
Might say on the packaging. Here's the packaging. This is the packaging that it came in.
Well, try something else. Open something else. You gonna try that? You show me what that is, Caleb.
He said last time it was apple something.
Okay, open it up.
Feel like an applesauce or something. See that applesauce.
These are like
Emma likes this yellow taffy over here.
this is like this stuff looks like it's
Wait, now we had new. Now we had.
Okay.
Now we had. Now we had new sips.
this stuff is really looks like sugar cubes.
Yeah.
But sugar cubes are white cubes. Wow, this is actually hard
Now
to get
that's
out.
starting to be pipey in my mouth.
What did you eat? These?
No, these.
Everyone thinks these are spicy but me.
No, maybe said me ate.
Okay, these.
So what do those look like?
Now these do not look like sugar cubes. Do you want to try it first?
You try it.
Grown-ups taste first. These must taste like apple. Is it good?
Yeah, those are good. Give it a try.
We see that like applesauce.
This feels like it's something a gummy. No, do you want to try it?
No.
There's two left.
You try it.
Yummy.
Say that.
Here, Emma.
Try one.
Here.
Okay.
Not one that you tried.
Here you go, Emma.
Here, Emma, try it.
These are really good.
Tell everybody if it's yummy.
Don't eat all that.
Yeah.
Kind of salty and kind of fishy.
Look, man, I didn't even finish the barbecue chip. It's super spicy.
See the tuna
This is really good.
It's good. See the suki.
It's
Look at the inside of it. The salty that you get. It's salty.
That's salty. Did you say, Emma, is this stuff taffy?
I'm eating yellow taffy.
Can you get that cookie open, Noah?
Okay, taffy's easy. I know taffy's easy to open because it's in a simple plastic wrapper. Emma's birthday taffy was really good, so I'm expecting
I'm
this
done with that.
chocolate colored taffy to be good too.
You getting it, Noah?
I'm
Let's see what it looks like.
It doesn't say what
Ooh,
the
let's
stuff
look
is.
at this.
These doors.
Ooh, turn it over, Noah. Let's see.
That's like a suki side. My,
Looks
what
like a
is
cookie.
this? Can I please take a bite?
Chewy Taffy Peanut Butter Center. Okay,
Chewy taffy peanut
Try
butter
that, Noah.
center. Yeah. Have a suki and that, and then some salt. Mommy, can I taste this? You taste
Mhm.
What is it?
Some kind of taffy.
Mmm.
Caleb's got a mouthful of taffy.
Taste the suki. Taste the suki.
Taste the cookie. Oh, when he's done. How about Emma taste the cookie?
How you say that? You ate it.
That's okay. Everybody takes a taste. This is a taste testing.
That's good.
This is actually pretty good. Now I'm going to spit this out so I can try this.
That really good.
Just spitting it out.
I did the patty in that. Not the patty. I did the patty in.
So what was this?
I don't know.
Okay, that chocolate.
Joey's Love in Every Bite Black and White.
That's good.
Oh, wait, I got black and white.
Yeah, the Batman.
I want to try the white slide too. Well, that's a chocolate slide.
You want to look at this?
It is a cookie. It is a cookie.
Ooh, it feels minty. It feels minty. You
I've
taste
both
it
sides.
first. You taste it first. Taste it.
Yeah, it smells minty. That's like mint taffy.
I don't like mint. I don't like mint.
That cookie's delicious.
Mom, is this taffy? What kind of flavor of taffy is this?
Oh, this is another kind of taffy. Let's see.
Chocolate taffy. Tastes like chocolate.
That looks tastes good.
Another piece of saltwater taffy, but I don't know what flavor it is.
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
We see that salmo.
This does have a lot of salt on it.
My niece,
No wonder it's spicy.
they did the birthday of your yikes. They did the birthday of your yikes.
It's the best food tasting day of my life.
So what was your favorite thing, everybody?
Suki and these. Leo taffy.
What was your favorite thing, Caleb?
This also feels minty too.
I just remembered. I haven't tried this yet.
Well, you know that's a peppermint.
My niece still not eat safe.
Are you sure this is a bad?
Niece still not safe.
Are you ready for torture?
How much pipey did it?
Try it, Noah.
It's for you to figure it out.
I did it. I'm gonna
Not
taste
that
one.
spicy.
I'm gonna taste one of these chips.
Okay, you're right. I smelled it. It definitely. Just try it. It's not that spicy.
Don't these look spicy?
That's not that spicy at all.
Caleb, then taste these. Tomorrow.
I've already tried.
No! I want to eat Suki. My Suki. What should I eat first?
Why don't you try a bite of the cookie?
What should I eat next?
The chip. Have you tried the chips?
You find the Suki yet?
Oh, I don't think you've tried this yellow packaging taffy.
Yeah, that still had.
Caleb, open that up and taste it.
Wait, no,
Open it up.
I want to
Okay,
open it up.
Emma will open it up.
Yum, 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 yum. These are so spicy and good.
I love that meat pie.
Hey, I'm eating these.
You said eat all of them.
I'm eating some.
You said eat all of them.
I won't. I want to eat it.
Can you have another one, Noah?
And put the balls back in the.
You're holding those. I can hold your cookie.
Hey, you don't eat all of them. You did almost done.
Take another bite, Noah. Trade him the chips for the cookie. You eat the rest. You eat some more cookie, and he has some more chips.
All of the chips. My you said Suki.
You can have it. You want me to taste it?
You see what that thing. Oh, I'm opening it.
That is good.
Mommy, I cannot even see it in there. Look, I can't even see it in there. See, I cannot see it in there.
Can you unwrap it?
Okay. There it is.
You think it's like Laffy Taffy?
Okay, I opened it. Who wants to taste it first?
Pause it.
Who wants to taste it first? Who wants to taste it first?
You.
No, you taste it first. Not to make sure it's good. You taste it first.
Here, Caleb, have some sweet taffy.
No thanks.
No, that's.
Who's gonna try this?
You taste it.
You taste it.
You taste it.
That's for everyone to eat.
But you don't eat all. You taste it first. But me, not the me. Finally eat some chips.
Then eat some chips.
After me do something.
Noah,
Is it
do
good?
you want to try
It's good. It
this?
has peanut butter in the middle.
But it's really good.
What's that orange stuff?
Peanut butter.
Uh,
So what was everybody's favorite thing?
mm,
The chips and the cookie?
Mommy, can I have my water close to me? Because I'm
Mommy?
going to taste one.
Mommy, do you want to try some barbecue torture trips?
Barbecue torture chips?
Try one. Yummy.
See, it has a good taste. But then when it goes down your throat, it gets spicier.
They're really spicy.
Isn't that spicy, Mommy?
I like them.
You like spicy torture chips?
Those are yummy.
What? Okay, if you think that's good, try this disgusting candy. Try it.
Well, so nobody liked this, whatever it was.
I haven't even tasted that.
Try it, Mommy.
I can't get everything unwrapped right now.
Just try it. I ate it and I didn't like it, so you eat it and you didn't like it. Try it. Try it.
Okay, so I tasted this. It's habanero.
Oh,
It's really hot.
no wonder
Oh
it
yeah,
tastes.
don't like that.
No wonder it tastes like a pepper.
So I think everything in this box was like
I
spicy
all agree.
and a lot of chewy things like taffy.
All of them?
No. There's two things. There's three things that aren't spicy. I'm gonna tell you them.
Yes.
Knocked it.
The apple thing.
And knocked it, but this. And knocked and this. See? Mommy, I ate the whole chip of this. You know but
So
now
everybody like our first month of Universal Yums? Should we keep getting Universal Yums? Was this fun? Okay, that's it for today. We'll be back next month with another Universal Yums. See you in our next video. Bye!
Let me see what you